Morning. How are you guys? How's everyone doing? Hello, hello. You guys doing great? Doing good? Morning, morning. Happy Wednesday. Happy hump day. Apex, with the ADR Apex code is the 50K accounts are under $34. The market's been so choppy lately. Kind of difficult to trade right now. But I think it's very normal after huge days of gapping up. It's very normal to see choppiness because that's what's what's the name for that? That's consolidation, that's pulling back. Completely normal. Ooh, Meta under 580. Meta is very weak. Very, very weak right now. Man, it's been a chop mess. So choppy. Yeah, crazy annoying, I know. It's difficult to trade like that. Kinda like this 512 hold here on the Q, but I don't know. I don't know. So we have this high, pre-market high resistance here on SPY, and then we have 600. Yeah, you can pick between paying one time $85 or paying monthly 105. I think everyone is gonna go for the paying one time 85. Bear flag? Yeah, maybe. I'm happy, like, look at this perfection of Google 184 rejection. I'm happy that I'm all out of there, out of that one, because 184 was my main PT, and it just hit it yesterday, and it's rejecting it ugly today. I want to see Tesla back down to 320 again because I missed that pullback yesterday. Let me see. I need to change this. Okay, under 512 we can see a lot more here. Gonna go short. 21. That was late. But yeah, I like this rejection 512. If it goes above 512, I'm getting out. I want to see it rejecting here. SPY looking weak. I like that rejection. Do we have any data coming up right now at 10? Feds are talking right now? Or later today? I don't like that. I'm gonna wait and see how the 5-minute candle is gonna close. I want to see it rejecting the VWAP. All day we have Fed speaking all day. Oh, so I'm not gonna trade. $9.45 and 2. Okay, I like that reaction. I like that we keep rejecting the VWAP, but I would love to see a rejection of 512. And Nvidia is waking up, which I don't like for my trade here. I'm trading here with 20 PA accounts from APEX and 1 eval. Meta is looking pretty weak. Same thing with Microsoft. I like that Nvidia rejection of the VWAP. It's looking like a bear flag. Nvidia. Any charts that you guys like today? Let's see what IWM is doing. Not much. Kind of looks like a bull flag with pre-market levels, but but it's not doing much. SQ. Oh, SQ is flagging, bull flagging. Shop. SPY looking pretty weak. Let's see how it's gonna react to the 596 level here. Toast. Oh, too late to enter. It's gone. Give me a chart that I can really trade, but because if you have something on all-time high, just reach a new all-time high, that there's nothing you can do there. Google. It's too late. Give me a chart that we can really trade. A pullback to 179, 180. Yeah, it could be a good entry. Tesla, I already talked about Tesla. You guys know I posted on my Discord also what level I'm looking on Tesla. Apple. No, Apple is in the middle of nowhere. Go and check my Discord. I posted today what levels I'm watching on Apple. SMCI. Nah. SMCI, it's having too many troubles. Yeah, I can see how it's kind of using 20 as a base, but it's fundamentals are not good at all right now. Snow is gone. Nothing you can do there. It's gone. Again, give me a chart that we can trade. It's too late to enter snow. Lily? Nah, nothing. I don't know. It's not saying, it's not a strong support, it's not a strong resistance. 800 could be a good entry. No. Okay, I'm done. If it breaks the VWAP, this thing is gonna go. Mm-hmm. 3M. No, it's doing nothing. It's not a strong support, it's not a strong resistance. If it goes down to 128, it could be a good entry, but no, that chart is doing nothing for the past, I don't know, month. It barely moved. But a pullback to 128 could be a good entry. Costco. Oh yeah, Costco. 920, that's the winner. That's the one. 920 hold, it's a very good entry to hold on. Look at this. Is this previous all-time high? Yeah, Costco it is. This is your trade. This is a trade. That's the winner. Ooh, but why are contracts so expensive? I wanted to do next week's. Can I do a YOLO on Costco? Next week's 960? Okay. I like that move on the Q. Costco is the winner, guys. Is this the daily? Yeah. How's the weekly looking? Oh yeah, the weekly is looking perfect. I'm taking for next week's. Let's see. A YOLO, which is 960. That's a YOLO, so anything can happen with that. If it goes to 960, we're gonna bank on that one. But the real trade is for me next week's 940. I also took this is a YOLO. The 1000 strike for the 29th. It's a YOLO. The main trade is next week's 940. There you have it. That's the trade. That's the trade for me. This chart is looking very, very clean. Even if it goes lower, I don't care. I'm gonna add more. But the idea is for Costco to hold 919. Ooh, we're looking good. Can we go to 910? Maybe? But SPY is at 596 support. Should I get out of this one? Still, Nvidia is still looking pretty weak. Let's see, Apple is looking strong. Meta looks like a bear flag. Microsoft is, I don't know, maybe making a bear flag. I'm getting out. I'm good. If we see the SPY losing here 596, that's another trade to go lower. My stop loss on Costco is gonna be an ugly rejection of 918.50. Ooh, look at that move. I missed it. Okay. But it's okay because the last 2 days, Spine the Cure been so jumpy and so choppy that I think it's way better to just be in and out, lock some profits and be happy. That's over 6K on this trade. Can't complain. It's weird how Spine that you're moving with, again, same thing like yesterday. Apple, Microsoft, Meta, and Nvidia going to the other direction. Like Apple is holding very good. Nvidia is definitely weak today. I can see Nvidia going to 144. Right now it's in the middle of nowhere. $5.10 looks like the Q is trying to hold that level. How does Costco move? I don't remember playing Costco. Is it a fast mover? I should have checked that before taking the trade. You lost on all my accounts? That happens. If you want to be a trader, you need to get used to that. Unless if you had a huge loss, that's bad management. That's bad risk management. Look at this candle here. Oh yeah, we're having another choppy day. I think the Q looks a little bit cleaner than SPY when it comes to levels. Because right now we have the VWAP right at the 512 level. So if we have a rejection there at 512, it's gonna be rejecting also the VWAP, and that could be another good trade. Let's see, I'm gonna look for a trade with Tradeify. No. I'm gonna be trading with 7 trade to 5 accounts. Straight. These are straight to funded accounts. Remember when the market is choppy, we need to look for just base hits, like fast move, in and out. In and out trades. Ooh, look at that reaction here on SPY. Microsoft is still rejecting 420. Meta trying to reject 480. Nvidia looking pretty weak. That's an ugly reaction. Look at these two candles. What is this? What are those two candles telling us? If this candle closes like that, all I can say is like the market is very choppy. We had a very strong bounce here, and now we're having a very strong reaction. Yeah, indecision, correct. You get a point, STA. You got an A+ there. Hello. Morning, morning. Ooh, Tesla is just filled the gap that it made this morning. Ugly 344 rejection. I'm doing awesome. We're green today. So that's good. I like this hold here. I like this hold for a possible bounce play here, but I don't know. Nvidia. Pretty weak. It definitely looks like it wants to go lower. 145, 144 could be the next PT for Nvidia. Meta again rejecting 580. Anyone got that quick bounce here at 596? In Tesla boots? I want to trade Tesla so bad, but again, I want to see it at consolidating at 520, 524, 523, as close as possible to 520. I'm sorry, 320, 320. I missed that entry yesterday. That was my plan yesterday for Tesla, and I missed it. I think we're gonna get it again today. We could. Celsius? Let's see. It's giving you another entry for a leap, but I don't know. It's very choppy. Like, I'm holding my calls for next year. This is the daily. So yeah, it's right at a very important level of support, but I think this one is to buy even shares or leaps and then just forget about it. Look at the daily yesterday. This is what you want to see at support. Yeah, so yeah, Celsius, I think it could be a good buy. I'm already in it. Do I love it? No, because I think they had bad earnings. But technically, the if I only look at the chart and technical analysis, I do like this chart for lips or again shares. But it's kind of tricky. But I do like it. It's right at a very important support. Very important support. So if cannot hold, I will say if cannot hold 25, it's done so. I think this one, it has a lot of potential, and I think when wakes up, it's gonna be a huge move. But when? I don't know when. I'm not here for that. What's your name? I'm sorry, I can't pronounce your name, but I'm not here to give you good trades. I'm here just to talk with you guys about charts. That's it. I'm not here for calling out trades. I'm only saying what I have in my mind. Pretty much, I'm talking out loud what I see on the charts. If you're looking to pass any evals with my trades, that's a wrong. You're on the wrong channel. I'm not here for that. Please, please, please understand that you will not be good at trading if you're just trying to copy someone else's trades. Even if I give you a good trade to pass your eval, you're gonna blow it up your PA because you have no idea what you're doing. And that is not the idea. The idea for us is to be here for very, very long time and learn as much as we can when it comes to trading. Yeah, exactly. Just like school. You know, at school, I thought I was dumb because I used to copy a lot. All my like smart friends. But I realized after being like older, and what I noticed is like I just didn't like to be told what to do. Like I like to learn, I don't like to memorize stuff that I'm not really interested in. So in school, I was really good at PE because I like sports. I was good in Italian because I like languages. And I was good in geography because I like those stuff. But yeah, I like to learn. I don't like to memorize everything that I'm not even interested in. Parlo poco italiano. I completely forgot to speak Italian. I went to an Italian school. I need to go to Italy and spend there like a few months, maybe 2 or 3 months. And I think I'll be completely fluent in Italian. Yeah. My list, you know what? This is really funny. My least one was physics. And I didn't like math until we got the last year of high school back home. We had a very, very good math teacher, and suddenly I was getting A+ on math without even studying because that teacher was so good. When I came to the state, I did senior year here in Illinois. My least subject was history because the teacher was so boring, and it was right after lunch. It was so bad that I got in trouble because I will ask for pass to go to a bathroom, and I will I will just be walking around in school for 1 hour or 30 minutes because it was so freaking boring. I couldn't handle being sitting there with a teacher that he talked like he was about to fall asleep. It was so bad, so bad. But yeah, I think it depends of the teacher also. I did not like physics, but I think if I had a good teacher, I would be okay with just being in class and passing my test. Yeah. And I think I like to learn. I don't like to study. So I study in college back home. I have a degree in business, and I had to take, I think it was 2 or 3 accounting classes, and I was so bad. But again, I didn't like that class. But I was good on microeconomy. I was really good on that. And then I came here to the States and I did a master's in business and HR. And it was okay. I don't think I learned anything from the masters or from college, to be honest. Oh, and we have one class on the masters that I don't remember what was the subject, but we had a competition on stocks. We were pretty much paper trading, and I won by, I don't know, like 10,000%. on that one, and I was buying pretty much everything that it went down a lot. I was just buying a bunch of stuff, and I was kind of, I think I was the only person in the class that I was really kind of into it, into that competition. And the professor told me that I should try options trading, and I honestly didn't pay attention to that. I was like, yeah, okay, I'll do it. And I won that competition, and I had to do like a huge explanation about what I did. And by that time, I was trading. I was trading penny stocks. I knew nothing about options, and I was doing penny stocks. I was losing money, but I won that competition because it was paper trading. Paper trading is so easy. You can make so much money on paper trading. But in the end, he was right. Yeah. He even invited me. Like, he had a little course on another college where he was teaching options trading, and he invited me there, and I never went there. I never went to his classes for options, and now we're here. That would have saved me so much time and money. It's insane. Ooh, I like this meta hold. If meta can really hold 580 in the VWAP, I think we could enter here a very good swing trade. I like this 580 hold on meta. Yeah. Where is he now? No idea. Oh no. I think I didn't pay attention to what that professor said, because in my mind it was like, you are teaching, you're not really making real money, so why would I do that? Like, that was in my mind. But I now understand that some people they love to teach, no matter if they're making money teaching or not. They just like to teach other people. Maybe that was him, I don't know. Yeah, I like that too. I like that too, Greg. I'm trading ES and NQ based off of SPY and QQQ charts. I like this hold here on SPY. Oh, too late. I think you can do that in options, but I'm not 100% sure. Yeah, I think you can do that, but it's a little bit complicated because you kind of need to calculate how much could be at certain levels, like how much the contract could be at certain levels, and then put your stop loss and TP. But it's a little bit more complicated, definitely. Yeah, probably. Maybe he was a millionaire in secret, and he was teaching just because he liked it. I think those are the best teachers. People like really like genuinely like to teach. Ooh, look at that move. Okay, if the Q can break 512 and the VWAP and use it as support, I'm gonna go long here. I'm gonna try that one with Trade-O-Fi. Ooh, that was an ugly reaction there. Ugly reaction of the VWAP. But that was too fast. Thoughts on AMD? AMD, it's been extremely choppy, so I don't want to trade anything that is so choppy that it couldn't even move higher with the entire market going crazy. It's ugly, very clean reaction of 144.50, 145 today. But I honestly don't want to know anything about AMD. Okay, I like that spy move. I'm going long here. If my stop loss is gonna be if cannot hold the VWAP. Watch the Q here. 512 and the VWAP. If you can break the VWAP and use it as support, it's gonna go higher. Meta waking up. Mm. Ooh, look at FDX. I want that 300 so bad on FDX. If I can get it this week, it will be beautiful. You're in my Discord? Awesome, thank you. I don't have any Tesla contracts. I don't like that move. Nvidia is looking pretty weak. Let's see. Let's see how this candle is gonna close. If it's gonna close really under the VWAP or holding it. Definitely not looking super bullish. Okay, I'm out. And I'm not on coin also. Very choppy, yeah. Very choppy. Definitely the Q is way more clean than SPY. Look at this clean VWAP 512 reaction. But it's still choppy. No, I'm not on Discord. Guys, Discord, read the description of the Discord. The Discord is only for me to prepare you for this stream. So basically, you guys have on my Discord from Monday till Thursday the levels that I'm looking to trade on the stream or even off the stream, and my watch list for the day. I do not trade on my Discord. I do not post any signals on my Discord. I don't like posting signals, honestly. It's too much work. Too many people asking if I'm still holding it, if I'm selling, when I'm selling. Too much. I mean, my whole idea for me to trade is to be free. Free to trade whenever I want. If I want to take a month off, I can take it. This 596 bouncing here. That was clean. Looks like the VWAP, it doesn't matter today on SPY, which again is equal to choppiness. It's equal to a choppy chart. I'm up 125% on the FTX 285 calls for this week. I'm thinking on selling all the weeklies and only holding the ones that I have, the 300 calls that I have for the 29th. What's that? CS Pan? I don't know who's that. Okay, let's see. UFO hearing. Oh, okay. Okay. This is getting so boring. I think I'm just gonna go and watch some more Rotten Mango. Because that's what I do when I used to trade before doing the stream. I will just have my screens up and just watch some Netflix or YouTube videos, passing the day, the hours, especially when we have such a choppy mess like today and yesterday. No, I don't put my trading on my Discord. I don't watch baking shows because it gives me hungry and then it makes me buy stupid shit on Uber Eats. Like cookies, especially if it is a baking show. And then I eat it all and then I regret it. Look at that. Look at these. Are you gonna make me buy these again and then stop me out? I'm gonna wait for this break here. These 512, the VWAP break. It's definitely cleaner than SPY. Okay, I'm getting rid of the FDX weeklies, locking my profits, getting all out of the weeklies, holding the ones that I have for the 29. Adobe has a big gap above. The Q still cannot break the view up. Tesla coming down. I think I have a alert on Tesla. Yep. I want it lower. Want it lower. Way lower. Yeah, a little bit lower. 324, 320. Bitcoin, let's see how let's check it out, the Bitcoin chart. And look at this huge move here. Are we gonna have Bitcoin 100k? Ooh, look at these. I had this beautiful flag here. I don't trade Bitcoin, I just buy and hold. Is this all-time high? Yeah, that's an all-time high. So yeah, if you want to trade Bitcoin or anything related to Bitcoin, I will say just wait for a pullback to previous all-time high. Charts are the same for everything. Let's see Lulu. Ooh, Lulu. Lulu 340. If Lulu can really break, I will say it's a little bit under 340. 339. Let's see. We had earnings on December. Yeah, Lulu, if can really, I will say 340. I'm gonna put a alert around 340. If Lulu can break these level here, I think it's gonna boom boom. The next resistance is gonna be this one here. 369, 370. And then we have a little bit of here. And then a little bit here. And then huge gap here. Big gap. Why they had such a big gap? Oh, bad earnings. It was good earnings. Maybe not so good guidelines, because it just went down a lot. That was a 3-bar play on the weeklies on Lulu. The market is still doing nothing. But yeah, look at this level here. That's the level to play on Lulu. Okay, let's look for possible new trades. Let's do that together, and you guys can see how I do my watch list pretty much, and how I look for good swing trades. So now you guys see it here. Lulu, I have a alert a little bit under 340, but I want to see it breaking and holding 340 to play more upside here. SQ. I saw people talking about SQ. Okay. You can see why. Ooh, that was perfect. That was perfect reaction. So we're having a huge, well, basically all these is resistance. That's the weekly chart. Yeah, we have all these resistance. If we have a huge move and it breaks, I will say 94. I want to see a very strong break of 94, and then we look for a break and retest there. PayPal. That's another one. Kind of look like SQ. Maybe small caps are waking up now. Yeah, so here if you can break this 80, almost 89 level, if you can break that level, I like it for more upside. I want to see stuff with big gaps. Anything big gaps, I want to have them on my watch list. Look at this hold. It's so funny how levels work. You guys can see that I didn't put any levels here right now, and look how it's been respecting this level that I placed, I think, here when I was kind of trying to play this gap here. Same level, resistance, resistance, resistance. Ooh, this can be a good one. Okay, it's bouncing out of, look how strong bounce we have after retesting this previous resistance here. Resistance, 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 broke that resistance, and then we have a huge move, reaction, went back down to that resistance, and now we get another big bounce, and then go back down, and we have another huge bounce, and now it's back at that support. This one, definitely worth trying. Very good risk to reward there. I think with time, we can see it back at 136, 137. Oh yeah, I definitely like this one. This is UPS. UPS. Ooh, it's so cheap. I'm getting UPS. When is they have dividends? I don't care. Earnings are on next year. Oh yeah, I'm getting UPS for. Do I want to give it like 1 month or just 3 weeks? You could definitely bounce for next week. So this is another thing that I do. Like, I think it's, I don't know, I like doing this. What I do is I buy a little bit short time contract. So in that, and I buy longer time contract. So basically what I'm thinking here with UPS is buying for next week and also buying for 3 weeks out. So what I do is if I have a bounce for next week, I have that money making my next week's contracts or 2 weeks out or 3 weeks out contracts completely free. You got me? So that's what I do with swing trades like this one. That's what I did with FedEx, right? I sold today the 285 that I bought. I think we bought it last week. So if I bought it last week, I bought it for this week. and I bought the 300 for the 29th. So basically the money that I got, the profit that I got for the short time contracts are making the longer time contracts completely free. It's my course for beginners. Yes, it is. Well, the course is technical analysis, so I'm not gonna be explaining what are options, like how options work. So it's mainly how to read charts. My mentoring program is for beginners, definitely. Okay, so I'm getting the for the 139 132 for the 29th. Yeah, that's my main those are my main contracts, right? Like my biggest position is gonna be those one. So I got the 132 for the 29th. I'm gonna get a few for next week. 132 for next week. Those are the one that are gonna make my longer my main contracts free if it works out. And I'm gonna get some YOLOs also that are gonna be extremely cheap, and if works out, it's gonna be a huge percentage return. And let's see the YOLOs. Okay, the YOLOs are gonna be December 6th, 136. I can do the 29, but I'm gonna give it time. That's a very, very clean chart. 136. The YOLOs are 136. Okay, we have Nvidia. I'm sorry, Tesla going lower. Oh yeah, so what's going on here with Tesla? Okay, so I have Tesla at the level that I want to see it. I would love to see it a little bit lower at 320. But the other thing is, before entering this one, I want to see some type of indication that it's really gonna hold this level. Everyone loves YOLOs. What is the market doing? Still nothing. So Tesla is still very, very weak. No indication so far that it really want to hold this level here, but we'll see. And the Q very weak also. And my stop loss for UPS is gonna be an ugly rejection of 129.50. If I see it going back down to 130, I'm adding more contracts. Microsoft is waking up for holding 420. That looks like a flag. Like a bull flag. Look at this. Is this a flag on Microsoft? Kinda looks like a flag, and I like this 420 hold. With a gap above. Very good risk to reward puzzle breakout here. I'm not gonna take it. I already have the weeklies on Microsoft. I got it last week, and I got Costco, and I got UPS, so I'm already in too many. For me, it's too much, but it's looking pretty good. I do like this chart here. If it keeps holding 420. Tesla, Tesla, Tesla. The Q doing nothing. I need the Q to break this level here, or at least the VWAP. That's the trade that I'm waiting, but it's taking forever. That's the trade that I'm waiting for. ELF, let's check it out. I don't know. Don't love it, to be honest. Nice gap up. I think I would like it more if can go down and fill this gap. I think it could be a good risk to reward trade to the upside. So basically, I would like to see it doing this, holding up here, and then play the upside. That I do like it. Come on, Q, just do it. Do it already. What's going on with net? Is it news? Yes, it looks like it's news. Yep. Snow. Damn, what's going on with these two? Huge move on snow. But it's too late for that. Ooh. Another reaction of the VWAP on the Q. Coin. Let's check it out. Coin. Nice. 300 hold. 300 is a very important psychological level. 300. But I would love to see coin pulling down and filling this little gap and retesting 272, 273. Yeah, it can be 274 also, but yeah, this whole level can be support on coin. Yep. Yes, of course. You need to, like, anytime you look at the chart, you need to understand how levels work. So anytime you see any strong reaction, doesn't matter if it is support or resistance, or if you want to call it demand and supply, you need to pay attention to that level. So anytime you see a strong move, you gotta pay attention to that level. Ooh, I like this Tesla hold here. Look at the 30-minute candles. The Tesla contracts are crazy expensive. I wanted to take Tesla for next week, but I don't like those contracts so expensive. Yeah, I'm not gonna take it. But yeah, I do think Tesla holding above 320 is very, very bullish. The 30-minute candle is bullish also, but I'm not gonna take it. So this is what I'm looking at on Tesla. This pullback is perfection, and it's holding so far. I think the risk to reward there, entering there, is very, very good. Could be a flag. Who knows? Let's see if I can get even the 360. 360 could be a YOLO. The 360 calls for next week are only $640. That could be a good YOLO. We could do some spreads also, like call spreads. Definitely cheaper. I don't know, I just don't like trading stuff that are over $1,000 per contract. I like trading cheap stuff like UPS, Intel. That I can take advantage of. But yeah, I'm not taking Tesla. I don't want to pay over $1,000 for next week contract. Okay, let's see if we finally can have a break here on the queue. Waiting for this break. A little bit lower. Okay, I like that break. If you can really hold it, that's the trade. I mean, yeah, the absolute amount, but obviously if we have a high IV, it's not worth it for me. High IV are only worth it to sell premium. Ooh, ugly reaction there. But that was weird because this candle was green very strongly, very fast. Why was that? Was it Microsoft that is moving higher? Meta also looking pretty good. Good. Another ugly reaction. My TP, the main one, is the entire gap fill. Guys, TPs are always reaction points if you're playing calls. If you're playing puts, it's your next support. So TPs are always your next resistance if you're playing calls. What's your next resistance? Your next resistance is Friday high and Thursday high, and then you have the entire gap fill. Okay, I think I'm gonna be done here. I'll try to trade something later. I need to trade on my funded futures account, and I wanna turn around this one. If the Q can break the VWAP and hold it as support, or if it goes back down to 512, that will be the next trade for me. Or SPY 600. That will be my next trades on futures with futures. We could be doing here a bear flag rejecting the VWAP, but it's tricky. I like more the upside here, even though we have a clear rejection here, but I like more the upside because we have Microsoft very strong right now. We have Apple holding very good. We have Meta holding very good. The only one that is not looking good is Nvidia. Nvidia, in fact, is very weak. And we have a SPY doing nothing, but it's holding very good. So SPY doesn't want to go lower. The Q, it's really fighting this downtrend. So I kind of like more waiting for upside. And that will be, again, a break of this 512 or waiting for 510 again. That's with futures. With options, I really like Meta here. I'm not gonna take that one because I don't like how Meta's been moving lately. I have Microsoft, I have UPS, I have FedEx, I have Intel lips, I have AI lips. Ooh, we're breaking there. Ooh. I have Costco. I think that's more than enough. Okay, let's... I like this Q hold here. If we have a real green candle here and the next one goes back down and is red but it holds the VWAP, that's gonna be my entry to go long. I want to see a better hold here. Okay, I like that. I like that hold. Look at Meta moving, still holding 580. I like that hold. Yep. Nice move there. Nice move there. That's what I want to see. Now the next candle, I want to see a red pulling back down. And that will be my entry. I want to see this level holding. Okay, give me a little pullback here. UPS, forget about UPS. UPS is a swing trade. Just put a alert at your stop loss and forget about it. Put alerts at your stop loss and the PTs and forget about that one. I don't care what UPS is gonna do today unless it goes to 136 today or 135. That's it. Doesn't matter what's doing today. Today is a day that you want to enter the trade. Give me a little pullback. Okay, I'm gonna go long here. If I see it giving me a pullback to 512, I'm buying more contracts. Now, thank you for being here. Remember to like the video. Remember to like and subscribe, guys. No, I did not. Oh, no. I did not mean the London. Yes. Shoot. It's on NQ. Ooh. Okay, let's buy one more there. My stop loss is gonna be if you cannot hold the VWAP. Yeah, I'm falling asleep here. The market is just so slow. I want to see the Q breaking this little high here, 513, and then most likely it's gonna go to pre-market high. What? Okay, this doesn't matter. Oh, that was pre-market high here. I love both, honestly. They're pretty different. I like that with Tradeify you can buy straight to funded accounts and just start making money. With my funded futures, they also have the straight to funded accounts, but they're different. You need to pass, it's like passing different levels to be able to apply for payments. So I like both. They're just different. The easier route, it will be just buying straight to funded accounts on Tradeify. But I do like also the valuation accounts on my funded futures. The thing with my funded futures is it's very easy to just get your money into your account. They don't have, after certain days of you trading, you just can apply for payments and you get your money in your bank account like in 2 days max. They pay very fast. So that's why I love my funded futures. There's no drama, no problems. You just trade and apply for payments, and that's it. Nvidia is very weak. Very, very weak. I think it's gonna go to 145 and then 144. And that's gonna mess up here this trade on the Q. Apple is a mess today. Repeat. My funded future is just very, very good. No trouble with my funded futures. No drama. You just trade and apply for payment, and you get the money into your account like very fast. Okay, looks like it's gonna be a no. Okay, I blow up 5 accounts there. Not blow up, I gotta stop out because Tradeify have a thing that you cannot trade. You cannot have a bigger than $1,200 day. It's not my payment time, it's depends on the period. So with Apex, it's not oh no, they changed that. You can apply for payments every 8 trading days. So it used to take like 3 weeks. Now, last time I got my payments in like 2 weeks. Okay, I'm getting out of this. Okay, I'm done, guys. Done. This is a chop mess that is not respecting anything. No levels, no VWAP, nothing. Bye. I'm done. I'm red with futures so far. Green with Apex. Red with Tradeify. Did not trade with my funded futures. I'll do that maybe later today, but if the market keeps being very choppy, I'm not gonna touch it. And pretty happy with options. I did very good with options today. FedEx looking pretty good. Microsoft looking pretty good. And very happy with what my comes with UPS. Yes, I'm done. Another difficult day trading this choppy market. I'm done. I'll see you guys mañana. Thank you for being here. Remember to like the video. Bye.